Hi guys, Georgie from Graffiti Stars here. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the most out of your gift sets. We have a variety in our shop, but today we will be focusing on the Eco Kit, the Eco Kit Pro and the tote bag set. As you can see here, I'm unboxing our Eco Kit first to show you what fun things we're working with. You may get a leaflet in your gift set like this, explaining the different nozzles and their uses. I will now demonstrate a few. You might want to use fatter caps for the background and thinner caps for the detail and tagging. Whatever cap you decide to use, before you start painting you must check the arrow on the top of the cap and make sure it's pointing towards your desired surface. So what you want to do first is make sure you're painting on a surface that you're not worried about potentially getting paint on. The same goes for your clothes. The paints in these sets are water-based, so they do come out if you need them to, but don't worry, your lovely artwork won't wash away. These paints work on all sorts of materials, but first we're starting with a classic bit of hardboard, which is what we use in our workshops and parties. To hold the can, you want to use your dominant hand and have your index finger on the cap. Give the can a good shake and start pressing down in short bursts. As you can see here, I stop spraying every couple of seconds so we have a light layer of paint, ensuring quicker drying time so you can progress onto your next step sooner. Try to hold your can at an upright angle so the paint comes out easier. Use whatever colours you like until you're happy with your finished background, and then leave your design for 5 to 10 minutes until touch dry. Now we're ready for stencils. In your packs you should have 6 different designs. We have a few examples here of what you could have. You can use both the inside and the outside of your stencils, and here we're going to show you how. Now lightly place your stencil onto your background, but make sure you don't press it down because this could pull up the paint. Using the same technique, lightly spray over your desired stencil. This is the time to get really creative. You can use these stencils in more ways than one, and we're going to show you how. Keep filling your piece with stencils until you're happy with it. Now leave it to dry again for another 5 minutes or so. There are lids provided in all of our sets which can be used creatively, and if you have one of these transfer caps in your sets, now's the time to use it. These transfer caps are great for getting paint into the lids with no mess, so you can create some splats and drips like so. Another fun trick when using spray paint is creating a planet effect with a circle stencil. Just use a couple of colours and make a gradient and it will bring your shape to life. You can also make these little shooting stars by turning the can upside down and pressing down quickly. If you're painting on a tote bag, we recommend putting a piece of card or paper inside the bag before starting to avoid any paint coming through the other side. Now, instead of filling the whole background, we recommend just a light spray or none at all and just focus on your stencils and pens. Another stencil trick demonstrated here is creating a shadow. You can start with a darker colour paint, and then once that first layer is dry, you offset your design slightly and paint again with a lighter colour, like you can see here with the palm trees. Don't forget to finish off your personalised tote bag with your lovely paint pens. Alright guys, now it's your turn to go get creative. Thanks for watching!